Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you the easiest ways to gather short iron pipes in 7 days to die. So the first one is to find these broken down cars or intact cars and use a wrench or an impact driver or any other harvesting tool and go ahead and harvest it. This is going to yield you some iron pipes. And to increase the yield of the pipes that you gather, go to the skills and perception tab and in here choose the salvage operations and go ahead and level it up to the fullest that you can, because this is going to increase the yield of the pipes that you gather. You can also get the iron pipes from these conditioning units, which you can find almost on every rooftop or on these construction sites like this one, or mining sites. Just go ahead and pick out your harvesting tool, and as you can see, you can gather many pipes from these air conditioning units. And the second and best option is to go around construction sites like the Korea Rockworks and find these iron pipes on the ground. You can go ahead and pick out your pickaxe or an iron axe and mine it using this. And this is pretty much all how to get the iron pipes in 7 days. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.